Official rates will stay where they are until the middle of next year. They also say the next move is up, probably in June or July next year. But not all experts agree.
While ever wages growth is running at a record low level, while ever inflation is below the bank's target, it's very hard to see the RBA putting interest rates up, not just this year, but next year as well.
The banks, meantime, will move rates up and down according to their own books.
Up until 2011, those interest rates were intimately linked. They only stopped adjusting those interest rates as the cash rate dropped.
Despite some credit card rates coming down, Westpac says it's working on a low-rate card below 10%. Consumer Group Choice says the card industry remains a $3 billion rip-off.
Banks are gouging customers every day.
That report dropped as bosses from the Commonwealth Bank and ANZ fronted a hostile parliamentary inquiry.
Are you signalling to your CBA clients that the bank has no appetite to reduce credit card interest rate?
We have no strategy to always be the cheapest in the market.
Apart from lower rate credit cards, other changes could come from this inquiry. Bank executives responsible for breaches could be publicly named, and banks may be prevented from foreclosing on small business and farmer loans under $3 million if the customer is keeping up with repayments.
We can implement that, fine. We can implement and not do that.
But there's one change the banks are adamant about.
Wouldn't you just be better off agreeing to one single Royal Commission and get this all over and done with?
I think the message that the convening of a Royal Commission would send would not be positive for the industry.
Ross Greenwood, 9 News.